Yo, what's going on, man? It's Big Shorty of Amenity, man. And what I got for y'all today, man, today is slugs, right? Not snails, but slugs. And you can tell the difference because slugs, they don't have shells, all right? Now, this specific type of slug right here is called a leopard slug, right? You see these all the time, probably. You just think of it as snails or slugs, but this is a leopard slug. Let me show you, right? Look at the spots on them and lines. Leopard slugs. All right? Leopard slugs. Let me grab one of these for y'all real quick, man. Leopard slug, man. All right, man. Y'all take it easy out here, man. Peace out.